How to download and install DeepSeek AI assistants. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, all you have to do is simply open the App Store in your mobile device. Once you're inside here in the search bar, simply search for DeepSeek application. So once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply tap on DeepSeek AI assistants and tap on this icon to download it in your device. Once the download is completed, tap on Open, tap on Agree. If you already have a DeepSeek account, you want to go ahead and enter the phone number, then password, and then log into your account. If not, tap on Sign Up and then simply create a new DeepSeek account for yourself. And that is simply how you can install and download DeepSeek AI assistants in your mobile device. That's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.